Hello students, today we are going to discuss topic salts. Methods of preparation of salts are, first is when acids react with base, they form salt and water. That is neutralization reaction. For example, sodium hydroxide base when react with hydrochloric acid, it forms salt, that is sodium chloride and water. It's the first method of preparation of salts. Second method, when metal react with acids, they form salt and hydrogen gas. For example, when zinc metal react with hydrochloric acid HCl, it forms salt zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Third method of preparation, when the base react with non-metal oxide, it forms salt and water. For example, base calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH twice, when react with non-metal oxide, carbon dioxide, it forms the salt calcium carbonate and water H2O. Fourth method of preparation, metal oxide. When react with acid, it forms salt and water. For example, metal oxide, copper oxide. When react with hydrochloric acid, it forms copper chloride salt and water. When acids react with metal carbonates, metal bicarbonates also, it forms salts, carbon dioxide and water. Acids, for example, hydrochloric acid, when react with metal carbonate, sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, it forms sodium chloride NaCl plus carbon dioxide plus H2O. These are the methods of preparation of salts. Now, what are the salts? Salts are ionic compounds having positive and negative ion. Positive ion means cation, negative ion means anion. Now, salts having same positive ion or negative ion. Same positive ion means cation and same negative ion means anion. They are said to belongs to a family. For example, NaCl. NaCl is sodium chloride and Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. NaCl, Na positive, Cl negative. sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, positive part, negative part. That is Na1 positive and carbonate CO3 2 negative. Sodium sulfate, Na positive and sulfate negative. It means it contains Na positive part and chloride ion Cl negative. Sodium Na1 positive and carbonate ion. Sodium sulfate, Na positive, SO4 2 negative. Now, in all these three salts, common is positive ion. That is this sodium ion. That is your cation. That is from the base, as salts are produced by neutralization of acids and base. It contains positive and negative ion. Positive part is from base and negative ion is from acids. Now, in this common part is sodium. That's why we can say it belongs to the family of sodium salts. Similarly, if we write potassium family, that is potassium chloride KCl, K2CO3, potassium carbonate, and K2SO4, potassium sulfate. Common is potassium ion, positive ion. It means it is known as family of potassium salts. Okay. Now, examples of common negative ion. Now, these are sodium chloride, NaCl, calcium chloride, and potassium chloride, NaCl. Sodium chloride, Na1 positive, Cl1 negative. Positive ion and negative ion. Positive ion is from base and negative part is from acid. Calcium chloride, Ca2 positive and Cl negative. Chloride ion, KCl, K positive, Cl negative. Common is Cl negative. So it means it is a family of chloride ion. Family of chloride salts. Another example, that is family of sulfate ion, Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, then calcium sulfate, then potassium sulfate. Common is sulfate ion. It means it belongs to family of sulfate salts. Family of sulfate. Activity 2.13 of NCERT. Write the formulas of given salts and write acids and bases present in these salts. First one is potassium sulfate, then sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, and ammonium chloride. First of all, you have to write the formulas of these salt and then acids and bases present in these salts from which they are obtained. For this, fill this table with me. Yes. First is potassium sulfate. What is the formula of potassium sulfate? K2SO4, potassium sulfate. Cation present, K positive, positive charge, anion present, negatively charged, that is sulfate ion. अब इससे बेस क्या बन जाएगा? OH नेगेटिव के साथ इट फॉर्म KOH, पोटेशियम hydroxide, and the acid present is H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. SO4 2 negative with H positive form H2SO4. Okay. And the next is sodium sulfate. What is the formula of sodium sulfate? Sodium Na1 positive, sulfate SO4 2 negative, और फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Na2SO4. कैटाइन Na1 positive, anion SO4 2 negative, बेस यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? NaOH, और एसिड H पॉजिटिव के साथ लिखे तो H2SO4. नेक्स्ट इज कैल्शियम सल्फेट, Ca2 positive, SO4 2 negative. It form CaSO4, that is calcium sulfate. Calcium ion, sulfate ion, base is calcium hydroxide, and acid is H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Magnesium sulfate, Mg2 positive, magnesium ion, sulfate SO4 2 negative ion. फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? MgSO4, magnesium sulfate, cation is Mg2 positive, anion SO4 2 negative, base magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice, और acidic part is H2SO4. Copper sulfate, Cu2 positive, SO4 2 negative. Formula is CuSO4, cation Cu2 positive, anion SO4 2 negative, and base क्या हो जाएगा इसमें? कॉपर हाइड्रोक्साइड और H2SO4, H पॉजिटिव के साथ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. नेक्स्ट इज सोडियम क्लोराइड, Na1 positive, Cl negative, it is NaCl, Na1 positive, Cl1 negative, base NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and acid is HCl. सोडियम नाइट्रेट, सोडियम होता है Na1 पॉजिटिव, नाइट्रेट NO3 1 नेगेटिव, इट फॉर्म NaNO3. cation, anion, positive part of base, that is NaOH, negative part nitrate form acid, that is nitric acid HNO3. Next is sodium carbonate, that is Na1 positive, carbonate CO3 2 negative, and it form Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, Na1 positive, carbonate CO3 2 negative, and it form base NaOH, and it is from the acid H2CO3, that is carbonic acid. Ammonium chloride, that is NH4 1 positive, it form, formula इसका क्या होगा? NH4Cl, positive charge ion, ammonium ion, ammonium ion, Cl negative chloride ion, it is formed from base ammonium hydroxide, and acid is hydrochloric acid HCl. Note down the formulas of these compounds. and acid and base from which they are formed. It means salts are ionic compounds having positive and negative ions. Positive ions from the base and negative ion from the acids. As salts are produced by neutralization reaction of acids and base. Next are pH of salts. The salts of strong acids and strong base are neutral. Strong acid and strong base are neutral. अगर हमारा salt neutral है तो pH कितनी होगी 7. If pH of the solution is 7, then it is a neutral solution. For example, NaCl. NaCl means Na1 positive or Cl negative, that is NaOH base and hydrochloric acid. When they combine, they form the sodium chloride. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base and hydrochloric acid, strong acid. Strong base and strong acid, they are neutral salt. Strong acid and strong base. That's why the pH of solution is 7. Similarly, sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4. It's a Na1 positive and sulfate SO4 2 negative. It's a sodium hydroxide, that is strong base, and H2SO4 sulfuric acid, that is strong acid. The salts of strong acid and strong base are neutral. Its pH is equal to 7. Third example जो हमने यहाँ पे लिखी है, that is KCl, potassium chloride, K positive, Cl negative. Potassium hydroxide, strong base, hydrochloric acid, strong acid. The salts of strong acid and base are neutral and its pH is equal to 7. Next example is salts of strong acids and weak base. Okay. Now in these types of salt, acid strong and base is weak. For example, ammonium chloride. For example, ammonium chloride. It contains NH4, 1 positive ammonium ion and chloride ion. It means base इसमें कौन सा present होगा? Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. And HCl, strong acid. Acid strong, base weak. Then salt is acidic in nature. If salts are acidic, then the pH is less than 7. Okay. Next type of salts are salts of strong base and weak acids. अब हमारा यहाँ पे बेस क्या है? स्ट्रॉन्ग, और एसिड क्या है? वीक. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल सोडियम कार्बोनेट. सोडियम कार्बोनेट फॉर्मूला इज Na2CO3. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, that is Na1 positive, CO3 2 negative. It contains NaOH, इसमें basic part NaOH, sodium hydroxide, strong base, and Acidic part H2CO3, carbonic acid, weak acid. Now, when strong base and weak acid, they form the salt, that salt is basic in nature. If it is basic, then pH is more than 7. बेस क्या हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग और एसिड क्या है वीक. That's why salts are basic in nature and pH is more than 7. Next type is salts of weak acid and weak base. Now in this case, acid weak as well as base weak. That's why salt formed is neutral. For example, ammonium acetate. For example, ammonium acetate, that is CH3COONH4. It is from acidic part. यहाँ पे क्या है CH3COH. That is acetic acid. That is present in vinegar. इथेनोइक एसिड भी बोलते हैं इसको, इथेनोइक. और अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. वीक एसिड एंड वीक बेस, दे फॉर्म द न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट. अगर न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट है तो पीएच कितनी होगी 7.